Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add to Wishlist on Amazon. Here's how to add items to your wishlist on Amazon web app. The first thing you like to do is to open your web browser and go to amazon.com. You can use any browser of your choice. In the website, click on the sign in button in the top right corner and enter your account credentials. Once logged in, it's going to take you right into this fantastic window where you can now explore a couple of options to have a great time on Amazon. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's tags. From this home page, head over to the search bar. So use the search bar at the top of the page to type in the product you want to add to your wish list. Let's say dress or dresser. And I just click on that. So click on enter to view the search result. And once you do that, click on the product you want to add to your wish list from the search result to open its product page. So here's a dresser, and I'm just going to open that up. So you can open up the full product details. So right here, we are in the products page. And from this product page, go ahead and locate the add to cart button, which is just right here. And so just right under the add to cart button, that's below the add to cart button on the product page, go ahead and look for the add to list button. You have to scroll down. Of course, sometimes it appears as a heart icon. Okay, but if you don't see that, you're definitely going to see the add to list button, which we have in here. Now go ahead and click on add to list. If you have multiple wish lists, you'll be prompted to choose one, or you can just create a new list. So we have this shopping list. I don't have multiple, I just have one. So here's a shopping list already created. So I'm just going to click on create, and that's it. One item has been added to shopping list, which is my wish list. You see a confirmation message appear, and that's just pretty much it, letting you know that the item has added or has been added rather to your wish list. Now I can go ahead and click on view list to check or manage your wish list if you want to, or just go ahead and click on continue shopping to just continue having a nice time with your shopping experience in Amazon. Now go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.